Redirection is based on the idea that sometimes children behave inappropriately because they simply don't know there are alternatives. In redirection, you don't make a big deal out of the inappropriate behavior. Instead, you show the child there is an alternative that is more appropriate. The majority of inappropriate behavior can be handled this way. So, for example, a child might grab a toy car out of the hands of another child. You could redirect the child by showing the child where to find another toy car.
Well, redirection is a guidance strategy. It's a strategy to engage a child in a different, more acceptable behavior than the one they're already engaged in. You want to teach them the actual acceptable behaviors instead of the behavior they're engaged in, and you want to help them to get to make more acceptable choices. You begin to use it as giving another choice or another option for children to choose and say, you can do this or that, or here's another option for you to choose. You redirect them toward a more acceptable behavior. You do this in a way that is actually a teaching strategy rather than a punishing strategy or just a distraction strategy. You don't want to just stop the unacceptable behavior. Punishment or distraction usually would just end what is not a very acceptable thing to have going on, but it wouldn't teach the child what to do instead.
Let's think about what redirection might look like. The child in this picture has just snatched a toy from a friend. The caregiver redirects the child by saying, "You don't need to take Samantha's Lego. There's another Lego to use right here." In this picture, the child is swinging a set of headphones around and around by its cord. The caregiver redirects the child by saying, "Cedric, that's not how you use the headphones. Let me show you. You put them on your ears and listen to the story." Now we want you to think about how you might use redirection in two possible scenarios.
Activity 5A, Redirection. Read the scenarios for children displaying inappropriate behavior. Think of one or two ways that you might use redirection. Example 1. A child is throwing blocks. Example 2. A child is tearing pages of a book. Example 1. If a child is throwing blocks, you might say, "If you want to throw something, why don't you come with me to the motor area and you can throw beanbags? Beanbags are soft, so they won't hurt anyone." Or, "The blocks are for building. Why don't you come build something with me? Throwing the blocks could hurt someone. But what could we build with them?" Example 2. If a child is tearing pages of a book, you might say, "If we tear the books, we won't have them to read anymore. But if you want to tear, let's go over to the art area and find some scrap paper to tear." Or, "It can be hard to turn the pages of a book. Let's read this book together, and I'll show you how you can turn the pages without ripping them. That way we'll be able to use the book again later."